I'm bleeding. I bit my.
Yeah, you bleeding.
I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Baby, I'm bleeding. Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. You already know you girl Avis, and you know this is my husband Rome.
How y'all doing?
And we're gonna be doing a food box tasting. Anyway, this comes from this company called Munchpak. We have had this plenty of times before. As you can see, I'm thinking I'll hold it up without making the light go bad. Might have to do the thumbnail later because, oh my gosh, you try holding it. Try to come with my address. Okay. So anyways, you guys, let's just get right to this thumbnail. Oh my gosh. Get right into this video. As you know, this box right here, they send you snacks from all over the world. I mean, all over the world. India, Turkey, Germany. I mean, everywhere. So let's just taste it. So inside, it will look like this. You guys, you can download the app also to download the Munchpak snack scanner. And yeah. That's what it looks like on the inside. Thumbnail central, you guys. And we'll get right to these snacks. So this one is a Cheeto one. And you get like maybe like 10 to 12 snacks. I'm telling you, guys have saw before. And if you haven't saw before, now you've seen it. So this one are Cheetos. This one comes from South Korea. And I can't pronounce this, but it's some kind of latte Cheetos, hot and sweet. And we're gonna taste them.
Oh.
No, you want to? I'm gonna give you 2, and I'm gonna get 2. So they give you enough time to really get the flavor in your mouth. I'm gonna get 2. Okay? And it says sweet. It says hot and sweet Cheetos. It's from South Korea. You know, I need to move to South Korea because they got all kind of good damn snacks America never ever seen. And it says crunchy chips with a mixture of sweet and spicy and vegetable flavors. Let's get into it. You ready, baby?
You want to do that same time?
Same time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Suck on it.
I'm sucking into them. What do you think?
But they're good. It tastes like kind of like spaghetti. That's I did want some spaghetti.
You just had spaghetti. My mom just fixed you some damn spaghetti.
They're good though.
Would you buy them with your own money?
Yeah.
I would definitely buy these with my own money too. So I mean, ding, it's a good one. And we'll go to the next one. You can tell these some knockoff Doritos, but they ain't no knockoff because it's just it's in another language, so it's from Israel. It says crunchy tortilla chips with a sour and spicy flavor. Doritos. So,
I never seen it really bad before.
okay, we're back. I'm gonna give you these 2, try to make up 1. And I'm not sure they got a lot of flavor on it, but
And then there's another one.
I really want to taste that flavor. Okay. 1, 2, 3, same time. Go. You look like a banger.
Yeah.
These taste like the kind of like the purple kind. The purple Dorito, that's like a deep purple burgundy color. It's some kind of sweet heat or something Doritos kind.
I buy these.
Me too. Just to suck the flavor off of it. Huh. I like that.
I can have fun with them.
Mm-hmm. Don't worry, I'm gonna save that for them. They can do their own video. Next thing, you want to try the pickle? I mean, shit, it's from United States. I mean, once you taste one pickle, you taste them all. But I think I might keep this because, you know, I'm like a, you know. So this be like me a snack because it has only 1 gram of carbs, 0 calories, and all that. So this be my snack. Yeah. You talking about? I'm not sharing that with you.
Like that.
Let's try this thing that's from Canada. It says
Okay.
some kind of waffle.
Strawberry, right?
I didn't look at it yet. Does it say strawberry? Yeah, it says strawberry flavor. It says chewy and sweet stroop waffle and creamy strawberry filling. And that's what it looks like. For the company Rip Van's Waffle. Looks like. They always are.
Oh.
Yeah, they always are super chewy. They always are. What, hey!
Already, girl.
What are you tearing up for? 1, 2, 3, let's go. What the goddamn face? Really? You let it roll?
It must look good.
I don't care for that, you guys. I wouldn't buy that with my own.
Good to me.
I wouldn't buy that with my own money. For sure won't. You have some Trollis. They're from America, which you guys already know. I love something. Let's just open up the Trollis, however you want to pronounce it. My lighting is acting up, guys. Okay.
Kick it down.
I'm gonna kick down my whole lighting system. Okay. This is a Twisted Sour Bite Crawlers Minis. I mean, I ain't know. What do you want? Just a red one? They got the filling on the inside. It looks like this. You can get these from America, of course. I'm going to try red too. I'm going to try green. You know, lime green is like one of my favorite colors.
Oh, I thought you didn't like a lime green no more.
One of my favorite colors. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
You put the weight on me.
That looks good. I'm going to put these up the best. Never mind.
My kid gonna mess them up.
Hold on. Inside good, flavor good. I don't know the outside texture. It's like a licorice.
That's good.
Yeah, the flavor is amazing, but the texture of it is like a licorice, and I'm not like a licorice person.
What you buy?
For the flavor.
So you just gonna suck the flavors off?
And spit the other shit out. No. Let's try sour dude. Do y'all remember these? We used to eat these in middle school. With sour straws.
So you just put it in your mouth and then pull it out.
What color you want this time, baby? They got blue, green, yellow.
It don't matter.
Red.
No, I just
There's only one yellow in there.
cut the sugar off it.
I'm gonna try red this time. 1, 2, 3. Actually, like a thumbnail. You got so many thumbnails through here. It's not funny.
That brought back to childhood, right?
Is everybody? That's good.
I'm trying to tell you.
That's still good. Where yours at? You lay down?
Heck gone. I wasn't even paying, girl.
Dang, you want to take some of my rap? Delicioso. I speak Spanish. You know, that bad teeth.
They take your time.
So I got a shoe on this side and a pink shoe on that side.
I'm gonna get that knocked out.
No. Okay. This is from Brazil. I'm not even sure how to pronounce this. But what it look like? We had a pepper snap. We got it in my teeth. These things got crushed up. But they look pretty. These little tiny little things. Oh, they look so cute. Oh, these fruit flies just kills me. Here. We're gonna try 3 so we can get the maximum flavor or whatever these little tiny things are. They got cream cheese on the inside. Oh, God, help me, Jesus. The devil is a lie.
You're nasty.
It looks like he got some kind of cream cheese on the inside.
You're making a mess.
I always make a mess, you know that.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, God, wait some of the box. No. 1, 2, 3, down it.
You taste the pepper. What else I'm supposed to be tasting? Cheese?
No.
I know the pepper got that killing it.
Lana like that.
I bet my sound well.
Let's try these cookies. Oh, you dip it, baby. Dip it. Y'all, you dip it in chocolate, then you dip it in sprinkles.
Oh, I remember them back in the days.
But do you remember the Dunkin' sticks? And people, y'all comment below if you remember the Dunkin' sticks. With the little kangaroo.
It's just like it, ain't it?
Kinda.
With the white ice and little sprinkles, but they had both.
Mm-hmm. This got both. This has the chocolate, this has the sticks. This has the sticks with the chocolate and the sprinkles. Right there, the lighting is messing up though, but there you go.
So a little sprinkle on the
That's what it looks like. You ready? 1, 2. Oh! I'm bleeding. I bit my.
Yeah. You bleed.
I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Baby, I'm bleeding.
Alright, that's good though.
Being greedy.
I'm about to bite the tongue off.
Bit that tongue off. The chocolate, not too chocolate. Because it's cold. Oh, my tongue.
I can taste the chocolate.
Baby. It won't stop bleeding.
Move on to the next.
Baby, my damn tongue. They can
Hey,
fuck up my speech worse than what's going on with my speech now. This is a kiwi flavor candy.
I don't think I'm gonna like this.
I tried a lot of these flavors. They're really good. I don't think I ever tried a kiwi. We got acai berry right here in that box. I don't want one of that one though, but it's okay. The gum is really thick. You gotta, I mean not gum, candy. You gotta really chew it. Maybe just because I ate bad damn teeth. But this is what the candy like kind of called high chew. Yep. Oh, my damn tongue throbbing. Maybe real. Oh, and it's from what country? Did I say it? It's from Japan, and they have real fruit inside of their thing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, real chewy.
I told you that. You gotta really get into it. This gonna be for you. You want to try it?
What is it?
This has sweet and creamy melon flavored soda from South Korea. We're gonna open and drink it? Yeah. No?
It's chewy.
I'm telling you, we drunk for a while. I had some of these before. These are like some cheese crackers. We're not opening these because I'm saving this for my tuna fish.
Alright.
So let's end the video.
Alright,
So you guys, that's the end of the video. My lighting is acting up like a boo. That's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Too much stuff has happened in this video. I bit my damn tongue off and bleeding. Wrong.
Trying to eat so fast.
Wrong swallowing candy. My tongue throbbing. Have a kind of little bump thing underneath it now that I done beat it open. It's gonna bleed all the night long. But anyway, you guys, be sure to
subscribe, thumbs up, and like this video.
While I serve y'all all this neck that everybody say I'm photoshopping. Like the song say, she got a Photoshop it. No limit. Got that master dick. No limit, baby. Does this neck look photoshopped? I'm out. My neck not that long, but bitch, I can roll in the circle. Okay. I'll see you next time. Wait, go ahead, turn the camera off.